Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to assign squad number in Football Manager Mobile 2024 so you can give your players number. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can create the tactic like this and how you can build up your formation. And also you can get this game for free. You can directly install this game from Netflix app. So go make a subscription in Netflix app so you can get this game free. And let's get started. I want to show you how you can assign your player, assign number into your player. So tap the action and tap this assign squad number. So you can do this before the league start. So I tell you once more time, before the league start you can assign the number into your player. So give your player his real number based on real club, or you can get it, or you can assign your number based on your preference. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.